Good to go.
Good to go.
Good to go. Rock caught, there's rock. Alright, this is what? A little over a pound and a half?
Yeah.
Homemade tanny versus kids red plastic wagon. On 3. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, Jesus! I'm getting hit with shrapnel. Holy shit!
Alright.
Oh, shit!
Let's step it off.
I was getting hit with the shrapnel. Did you hear it hitting your truck and shit?
Yeah. Got a feeling this is going to be a big hole. There's plastic all over.
Oh my gosh, look at that hole.
I believe that may be a little purer than a regular old tanny. Let's throw a pack in there so we can see it. That gives you an idea. What's that, about 2.5 foot, 6 inches deep? That's a big hole. We got some pieces over here.
Dad didn't see the fucking thing for that.
There's a wheel all the way over here, dude. That's a good 100 yards, 50 yards, 50 yards probably. Nice. That's it.